Welcome to the Python for Network Automation course. So, you got Python knowledge in one hand and you got networking skills in the other. Let's jam those together for a course that focuses on maximizing your networking skill set by teaching you to script solutions to all those networking tasks that range from tedious to complex to occasionally totally overwhelming. With Alta3's help, you will make Python dance, using Python to interact with APIs, to open Telnet and SSH sessions, to work with files and popular data structures. You'll automate filling out web forms and learn to interact with switches and routers across the most popular network vendors that are out there. The goal is to make this course as directly relevant to you as possible, which means that students are absolutely invited to bring in their own Python scripts to class. All class notes and scripts will be made available to students at the end of each day by sending out a cloud share or an email. This course is all about labs, providing an interactive environment that keeps you engaged and focused on the course. You will receive your own browser-based lab environment, which means that there's nothing to download, there's nothing to set up, and it's all highly secure. Our instructors, they're thorough, they're comprehensive, and they're devoted to making each course relevant to the audiences that we teach. If you want to learn, then we want to teach you, and you get to choose the option that works best for your time and your budget. We've taught thousands of students in the US and across the world, and I hope that you will be one of them. I look forward to seeing you in class.
This video is brought to you by Alta3 Research. We offer training solutions both on-site and online so that you can choose the method that works best for you. If you like this video, check out the links in the description box below for more information on our course offerings. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.